This is a project that's been in the works for somewhere around 7+ years, so that we could come up with a plan that would work both functionally and aesthetically for the community and help us look at this building and what it could be for the next 2, 3, 4 decades. There's a number of things, a number of areas that we addressed here, and one was a connector between the east side of the building to connect the north and south. That was a big plus for the guests that are coming in. We put a big facelift on the arena. We changed all the seating out, concession stands, bathrooms were all changed out. So it was quite a facelift that we did. We also had a feature that we added with the expansion, and that was some suites that overlooked the building floor. So it allows us to sell them as suites, but it also allows us to have multi-purpose and make those rooms meeting rooms if we need them as well. The thing that a lot of people are curious about is the new ballroom. It overlooks the Mississippi River. The room sells itself. It's just gorgeous.
This is a very personal project for me because, I grew up coming to dirt bikes and monster trucks here as a kid. Early on in the process, when we started looking at what is the interior design, what do we base it on, we came up with 3 themes, and it's called Evolve, Enrich, and Explore. Evolve is looking at the evolution of La Crosse, so it really started as like a lumber industry-based town, and then the lumber industry dried up, that just went away. So how the city has continued to kind of reinvent itself. Enrich, that's why they built the La Crosse Center back in the 1980s, was to really enrich the lifestyle, to bring more community and larger events here. And explore, the Driftless region is great for exploring. So we wanted to try and bring some of those things in, of like not just the rivers and that, but really the whole Driftless region. Those 3 themes kind of became the key element throughout the whole design process on the interior and the exterior. ISG is full service, not just architects, but engineering as well, and planning. Really, we had all the different expertise that was needed for the project. I would say from beginning to end, there's over 35, ISG team members that were involved in the project.
We are just ecstatic of what the finished product is. We've got a functioning building for the team here at the La Crosse Center. I think we've got a lot of people in the Midwest that are going to be using it, and I think, again, the community will be proud of the building that we have.